friends, my name is Guda Kasis. I am 8th standard in my school. My school name is Shree Vidyalaya. I am said about speech Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is a revered name in Indian politics, a lawyer and a political activist. He played a leading role during the Indian independence movement. After independence, he was crucial in the integration of 500 princely states into Indian Union. He was deeply influenced by Gandhiji's ideology and principles, having worked very closely with leaders, despite being the choice of the people. On request of Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel stepped down from the presidency of and Congress president, which ultimately turned out to be the election of the choice of first Prime Minister of independent India. He was the first Home Minister of independent India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel uncompromising efforts towards consolidation the country of him the title Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, born on October 31, 1875 in Nadiad village to modern-day Gujarat of Jhaverbhai and Ladbhai. Vallabhbhai father served in the army of the Queen of Jhansi, while mother is a very spiritual woman. Starting his academic career in a Gujarati medium school, Vallabhbhai English shifted to later English medium school. Vallabhbhai in October 1981 passed his high school. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel of tendency starting preparing for law examination. In 1891, married life to Jhaverbhai of couple of children. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel declined on 31 in 1915.